Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Now let's continue with the show. Today we've got something real clean from Jada's Fast and Furious line. This is the Ford F-150 SVT Lightning, and just look at this truck. That bright red paint is popping, and you already know when it's Fast and Furious. It's about to be aggressive, street-built, and ready to perform. Man, this thing is tough. That red paint is super glossy, and right away you can see that lowered stance. This isn't your everyday pickup. This is a street truck built for speed. Up front, you've got that clean Lightning grille with the Ford badge right in the center. The headlights are clear, and that smooth front bumper gives it a sporty, aggressive look. It's simple, but it hits just right. From the side, this truck looks mean. You've got the Racer's Edge decal on the door. That's a nice Fast and Furious touch right there. The body lines are smooth, and that step-side style really gives it that classic Lightning look, and that lowered stance just brings everything together. Now the wheels are clean. Chrome finish, nice detail, and paired with those performance tires, it gives the truck that aggressive planted stance. It sits low and ready, just how a street truck should. Pop the hood and look at that engine bay. You've got that full chrome motor just shining under the light. The intake, the piping, everything is detailed and polished. For a 1/24 scale, Jada really did their thing on this. This looks like a clean performance build you'd see at a car meet. Let's open the door and check out the inside. You've got a full interior setup. Steering wheel, dashboard, pedals, seats, all molded clean. It's simple, but it looks good and fits the truck perfectly. From the back, you've got those clean taillights and a smooth tailgate design. Everything back here is nice and simple, which matches the overall clean build of the truck. Nothing overdone, just right. This Ford F-150 SVT Lightning from Jada's Fast and Furious line is straight tough. That glossy red paint, chrome engine bay, Racer's Edge detailing, and slammed stance make this one stand out. If you're into street trucks or Fast and Furious builds, this is definitely one you want in your collection. So that's all we have for today, folks. But stay tuned for next time we'll be showing you this Lycan Hypersport from the Jada's Fast and Furious collection. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go on and cruise to our other cool videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. Whether it's classic muscle, modern rides, or something in between, we've got you covered. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.